Hello friends, welcome back with another video for the assignments cycle September 2024 semester 3, and this is a common subject for supply chain management and operations management. Operations and supply chain strategies is the subject. Let's start with the question 1. Mr. Ranga is a store manager at P Mart Limited, one of the leading retail firm. To penetrate the market, he was using a low price strategy. Due to competition, he also plans to use technology in the supply chain to reduce the cost. In such a scenario, every business requires some competitive edge to sustain in the market. Discuss different supply chain drivers with Mr. Ranga that ultimately helps Megamart to enable the entire supply chain. So we can see the framework for the supply chain drivers, that is in chapter 9. Let's see in the chapter 9. These are the framework for the supply chain drivers. We have this information here and how it works. These things you can explain it. The facility and enterprises details, and then other things what you can use as a technology part of it. It can be a ERP, warehouse management system, then transportation management system. AI can also be included in the making this their business better. Question 2. Your artisanal ice cream company produces small batches of unique flavors sold in local shops. A large supermarket chain wants to carry your top 5 flavors nationwide, requiring a consistent and high volume of production. Considering your current small batch production process, how would you adapt to fulfill this order? Would you switch to the mass production or continuous production process or choose another method? Explain your decision, taking into account factors such as maintaining product quality, scaling up production, cost efficiency, and logistical challenges in distributing your ice cream across a national market. So here we can see in the different information what we can see the types of processes and the process technologies in chapter 5. Page number 155. Types of processes: project, batch, mass, and continuous. So understand the difference between all this, and then you can take a decision about. Now, this table is very helpful to understand what is the difference in each of it and based on the factors. Then process technology. There are different types of process technologies has been used here, like CNC, computer numerical controlled, robotics, automated. So you can see some process technologies, automation in manufacturing, and then other points you can also consider, like consideration for the decision can be maintaining a product quality, how you are going to maintain it, then scaling up the production, cost efficiency, logistical challenges. So look for these are the factors which you have to consider while decision taking. Then recommendation for production method can be a large batch production. It can be a rational behind it is like you can't meet such a huge demand by just doing a small batch productions. Then quality control, how you are going to implement, and then flexibility, how you are going to run for the multiple shift or what kind of a flexible workforce you are going to use it, cost consideration, logistics and distribution. Then implementation strategy can be infrastructure investment, quality assurance, staff training, supply chain management, distribution partnerships. So these are the some points which I try to highlight it, but you can add up some more points to support your answer. Question 3. Nika Limited is leading a e-commerce company sells beauty, wellness and fashion products through its websites, mobile app and physical stores. Company holds items bought directly from the manufacturers in its warehouses, where they are supplied wherever there are online or offline purchases. Due to high demand, company is not able to contract on the core business, concentrate on core business. E-commerce businesses has experienced significant growth, leading to challenges in managing inventory, order fulfillment, and timely deliveries. You are considering partnering with a third-party logistic provider to handle these logistics functions. How would you evaluate the decisions to outsource to a third party? Logistics, discuss the potential benefits and risk, including cost saving, efficiency improvement, loss of direct control over logistics, and potential impact on the customer satisfaction. So basically, they have mentioned all the factors which you have to focus and provide your answer. Then for the part B, what criteria would you use to select a 3PL provider, third party logistic provider, and how would you ensure a smooth transition to maintain service quality during this change? Let us see. For the question A and B, we can find it in chapter 7, Logistics Outsourcing Strategy, page number 215. So here we have logistics outsourcing strategy. Unfortunately, we could not have a clear bifurcation for both the answers. So you can refer for the basic information. I will try to give you other information here. What you can see, potential benefits can be cost saving, operational cost, economic cost of scale, economics of scale. Then efficiency improvement can be specialization, technology, and innovation. Scalability and flexibility capacity. Potential risk, loss of direct control, service quality, brand experience. Under potential risk, second one is dependency on third party provider. That can be a reliability, security, and confidentiality is what you can look for. Then cost consideration can be hidden cost. Sometimes the company will charge you a little higher. So these factors you can consider for while answering A. And for the B, criteria for selecting a 3PL provider can be experience and expertise, like industry knowledge, range of services, technology and innovation, IT capabilities, advanced analytics, reputation and reliability, client references, reviews, and performance matrices, scalability and flexibility, capacity to scale, cost structure, transparency. Ensuring a smooth transition can be a clear communication and planning, like detailed transition plans, regular meetings, then system integration, technical integration and testing, in training and support, staff training, support structure, performance monitoring, KPIs and SLAs, regular reviews, customer communication can be transparent communication. So these are certain points which I try to put up for A and B. You can add some more points if you have worked or if you have experienced something, or you can just take up points from an open source. Okay. All the best, everyone.